Tonight, for dinner, let's make a Viola Chicken Stir Fry, shall we? Now, we're not going to need a lot of things for this. This is a fairly simple recipe. So let's get started, shall we? So for this meal, we're going to need this Viola Chicken Stir Fry, and we're going to need 3 tablespoons of water. The reason we need 3 tablespoons is because we're going to make half a bag. So these meals come with 2 sauce packs. We're only going to use one because it's for half a bag. If we're using the whole bag, then we would use both packages. So let's get this going, shall we? This is the sauce pack, and I need 3 tablespoons of water. Alright, once our sauce pack gets about this consistency, we're going to add the rest of our concoction here. And then we are going to cover this with a lid and set the timer for 11 to 13 minutes over medium-high heat. After 11 to 13 minutes, this is how it should come out looking. Now you can check it with your thermostat. Remember, we had to mix this up while it was cooking so that it didn't stick everywhere. Now look at this lovely meal that we made. All under 15 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to leave a like and a comment, it would help a lot. Don't forget to subscribe as well. I hope you have a great night and wonderful eating. Is this good? Let's see, shall we? That's pretty good.